Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a nice surface grinder. This is a Kent 20 by 40. It's got a 20 by 40 table, a Kent electromagnetic chuck. It's a fully automatic machine, has a hydraulic over-the-wheel dresser to dress your wheels. Comes with a nice little pedestal stand, very easy to use. Machine's in very good, clean condition. You can see all the electrics are nice and tidy. You might be wondering why I'm holding this wrench here. I'm just going to show you how the electromagnetic chuck works. As you can see, there's nothing on right now. We'll go ahead and electrify it. You can see now it has a charge. And we'll go ahead and start the machine. And now we'll choose a direction. Everything's been programmed in here to start feeding. You notice up here the head will start moving in. And now it's moving back. Complete the cycle. And we can increase or decrease the speed here, of course. Here's a little slower. As you can see, everything works on the machines in very nice condition. It also includes a paper filter coolant system, as well as a magnetic separator to keep your coolant and fluids clean. Here's the paper filter coolant. Paper will go right over this and spin through it and keep it very clean, and the magnetic separator to take any chips out. Here's, of course, your hydraulic pump and everything else on the machine. If you're interested in this grinder or any other surface grinders, we carry all types of grinders, all brands, sizes, and makes. Give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.